Hello everyone, today we are making chicken tikka masala. Take around 600 grams of chicken, either boneless or with the bones. Clean it well and cut into bite sized pieces. Into a mixing bowl goes chopped chicken pieces, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt or a curd, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon of salt for taste, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, half a tablespoon red chili powder, and mix them well. Set aside and marinate for 20 minutes to 2 hours. For boiling, into a frying pan goes 50 ml of water, salt for taste, 1 tablespoon ghee, 2 to 3 medium sized chopped onion, 3 to 4 green chillies, 3 garlic cloves, 15 cashew nuts, and a tablespoon of sugar. Cook until for 3 to 4 minutes. Let them cool down. Strain the excess water and transfer it into a blender jar and blend it into a smooth paste and set aside for further use. Sauteing a chicken, take a skillet, add 1 tablespoon ghee or a butter. Once it is hot, add the marinated chicken pieces and saute them on both the sides for about 3 to 4 minutes on both sides until they become tender and fried well. Once they are fried, transfer them into a bowl or a tray and keep it aside for further use. Here is your chicken tikka where you can serve as it is with a green chutney or you can make it as a masala curry. For the chicken masala curry, take a frying pan, heat it, add 1 tablespoon ghee and 1 tablespoon oil. Once it is hot, add 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 2 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon and let it splutter for 2 minutes. And then goes the prepared blunt paste and then 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute them for 3 minutes. Then goes 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, half a tablespoon chili powder, half a tablespoon coriander, and a cumin powder, and a ghee, and mix them well. Then goes 1 cup or a 50 ml of plain yogurt or a curd, half a tablespoon of crushed black pepper or a pepper powder, and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes now. Then goes the fresh steamed 1 tomato puree and 2 split green chilies, handful of tender coriander stems, and a tablespoon of ghee. Stir it well and give a nice mix and cover it with a lid and allow it to cook for 5 to 6 minutes only on low to medium flame. If required, add 50 ml of water to adjust the consistency and then goes 1 tablespoon of ghee if you want a more ghee. Stir them well for 2 minutes, then goes the sorted chicken. Stir them well and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on low to medium flame until you see the gravy turns golden brown and bubbling with oil floating on it. And then goes the half a tablespoon of sugar. Finish it with a sprinkle of dry fenugreek leaves or a kasuri methi and a tablespoon of butter and a handful of coriander leaves and then transfer it into a serving bowl or a dish. Garnish it with handful of coriander leaves, butter and dry fenugreek leaves or a kasuri methi.